the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey. What up, MoneyGang? It's your favorite money maker, Monique, and y'all, this week we coming with a special video. So this is my biggest order ever since I've been doing shirts, and I'm so excited, y'all. My son's college, he's in the NAACP down in his college, and they needed some shirts made, and he mentioned his mom and her business, and I'm so thankful and proud of my son for all the little accomplishments that he's doing and keeping it in the family. So y'all, let's go ahead and get in this video. So y'all already know I get my DTF from DTF Virginia still. I'm always supporting him. And it looks like he had changed his paper too, and the texture, y'all, is real good. But these will go on the front. And then when I start on the back, I'll show y'all what goes on the back. But now I just gotta go ahead. I'm gonna cut them all up, and I'm gonna show y'all every process and every step of making these shirts. Do a dance, do a dance, do a dance. We making money. Alright, y'all. So for this project, I think I'm gonna use both of my heat presses. So I got both of them warming up, and we about to get into this. Alright. So first we gotta go ahead and cut out all of the designs individually. And no, I'm not gonna have y'all sit here and watch me do all of them. I'll probably speed it up a little bit, but we gotta put them all to the side. Oh, and this is the biggest size that he has as well. I'm gonna let y'all know I got a big roll. And I think this roll was $65. And I was able to get at least, I think 50 designs. I had to do 2 sheets, so I did 2 sheets for 51. So each one I was able to get 25 of them, and they all are different sizes from small all the way up to 3X. But I did have to order 2 sheets of each design for the front and back. And I still had space because I was able to put some personal designs on there as well. So it wasn't that bad. I definitely recommend y'all go check out his website. Y'all know I'll leave the website, his website, on the description box. And tag him in it. It's another day, and I already started doing some of the shirts. This is gonna be the front and this the back. So I wanted to show y'all, bring y'all along, let y'all see my process, because I'm so excited, y'all. And I've been doing some autism shirts as well. So your girl been working, and I forgot I was videoing this a little bit, so I had to get back to it, y'all, let y'all know. So y'all see I got both of my little presses going. Well, now with these shirts, because the small writing, y'all I let everything cool down. So I'm pressing it on the top first, letting it cool down, and then when I do my second press, that's when I put it on the back as well and letting it cool down. And I'm letting this cool down longer than normal, because, like, I'm making sure it's cool. Because these small letters, they'll peel up on you. So, definitely when you're doing small letters, you gotta be real careful with it and just be patient. Cause y'all, let me show y'all. Oh, hold on, let me see. This is my little pile messed up ones y'all had to do. So the fronts ain't been messing up at all, but my backs been messing up and they been peeling off. See, these ain't coming off at all wrong. Oh, for a minute I had to check and see where the messed up was at on this one. So it's messed up like right there. So definitely be on the lookout when you're doing that. Be mindful. See, this one really messed up. This is the first one I tried, and I did it with my normal process. Then I started double pressing this, like pressing it for my first 15 minutes, and then I press it for another 15 minutes. Because, honey, little right, it will come off. But we finally got it together on this one. This ain't the only one. We got a couple of them made. Most of all the smalls are already made. I'm doing it, and all of them already have the front on them. I did this, so I'm really just working on the back. So, let me show y'all my process. So, yeah, I got this kit. I've been using this kit with this one. I got this kit from Amazon, and I try to leave the description and everything in the link. But I never, I bought these a while back, so I hope I can find it. I'll go back into my cart on Amazon to get y'all the information for it. But they're very flimsy. They're not the best dividers, but they do center, and they're just plastic. And they came with the adult, the toddler, the youth, and the infant. So I don't think I paid that much. I made like $15, if anything. Alright, so now that y'all closer, I'm gonna let y'all see. Alright, so I let it cool down. It's nice and cool. There's no hot nothing. So when you peeling it, you always want to peel it from an angle. And since this one had already started peeling, you just kind of roll it. Be careful, make sure everything is sticking to the shirt. And see up here, like the P is coming up a little bit. So I'm gonna try to see what this angle gonna do. Because if this angle is still coming up better like that, it's gonna come off better as I go. Okay. Now, I just take it and press it again, and I'm gonna show y'all that. Alright, so I bring it over here. Make sure everything is correct on here, nothing lifting up. And put my butcher paper. Press it for another, about 5 or 7 minutes. And then it's gonna be done. I'm gonna show it to y'all. And then it's done. That's the process.
All the way in there with all this so unsanitary. Please just put it. I'm begging you. Please just take a towel.
Y'all. So I wanted to show y'all. I messed up another shirt. I'm gonna show y'all the shirt on the back. I messed it up a little bit, but what I didn't even know why I didn't even think of it. I took the pressure because when I did the jean jacket for my cousin, I had to tighten the pressure to press down on it because it was a heavier material. And I never loosened it up. So all I did was just loosen it up a little bit so it won't pop up so fast when I pull it up. So it's doing a little bit better, but I wanted to show y'all that and let y'all know. You always got to make sure, depending on the material, you may have to change your pressure of your the way that it goes down. Like the heavier the material is, the tighter you want it. The lighter the material, the lighter you want it. Alright, but I wanted to show y'all that I'm almost done with the mediums. I'm getting ready to stop right now to go. See, this one ain't even ready. I'll let it stay a little bit longer. All these, both of these still warm. They're a little too warm, so I ain't doing them yet. But I don't have that much to do. So I'm gonna just let these cool down. But you see how it didn't pop up so heavy like it was doing at first. But I'm almost done, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all, my sister's supposed to be coming over here tomorrow to help me pack them. I might do this one again because you see, let's see if you can see it real good. Let me bring y'all. Yeah. So look, this, it ain't coming, it's coming up right there. And right here it came up. So I need to press this again. So that means that I loosen it up too much because it's not putting the pressure that it does need. So let me show y'all what I do. Alright, so since the pressure is not having enough, all I'm doing before I press it down is just turning it. So I'm going to turn it a little tighter. Until I feel that it may need. I think that might be better. So let's try that. I gotta know about the presses, so we're gonna try to press it again because it didn't mess up anything. So we're just gonna press it again and see how much long it does. DoorDash jumping. Oh, see, it did too far then. Oh, Lord, look at that. See? That means the pressure too hard again. So I'm gonna have to see how I can adjust this right. Or I'm gonna have to make sure when I do it, I don't just let it swing up at slow opening. So, oh, we up to 5 shirts messed up. Oh, y'all, I'm so pissed. But I'm glad I'm doing them in a timely manner. Because you never know. This is why you want to be on time and do it in a timely manner. But I'll see y'all in a minute, y'all. Alright, MoneyGang. So your girl is done making all the shirts. It is like 1 something in the morning, maybe almost 2 o'clock. I did do all 51 of them, front and back. Out of all 51 of them, we did have a couple of minor mistakes. I did mess up 8 out of the 51, but that's fine because I do have some extra transfers anyway, just in case I did mess up. I do got to order some more of these, and I'm going to order those tonight but while I'm going upstairs. A couple of things I did learn with doing a big order like this. One, You can't do it over the whole thing in one night. It's impossible because one, your heat press, even though you set it at a certain temperature, it does start rising the more it stay on. So my heat press was getting up to like 323, and y'all know I set it at 320. So I did have to let it sit for about an hour and a half and let it cool back down before I started over a couple of times. So it took me about two to three nights to do this. Tomorrow, I will be putting them in the bags and putting the little size labels on them. And I do have some labels I'm going to show y'all tomorrow that I'm going to put the names of them and make my little invoice and everything. I'm going to pack them up and get them shipped off. But I do, because I did mess up 8 of them, I won't have time to order no shirts from All Day Shirts. So I'll probably go to one of my craft stores like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. 9 out of 10 Hobby Lobby, because Michael's ain't got higher than a Hobby Lobby. That have never happened before. But Hobby Lobby right now have a sale on nail gilding shirts. And I'm going to go up there probably and get the 8 shirts that I do need, because it was the smalls and the mediums, because I started with those first. But I wanted to tell y'all the pros and cons of me making all these shirts. I am quite tired. It was getting hot. Like I told you, I couldn't use both of them at the same time because the beeping was just, it was blowing my mind. It was like both of them was like yelling at me at the same time. So I just eventually just used the first one. It wasn't that hard, but till tomorrow, y'all. Your girl finished her first big order. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day, and we about to pack up the shirts. So I already started folding some of them and packed them up and put the little labels on them and their sizes on them and put them on the bags. Now, this time, y'all, I normally get my bags from Amazon, but I got these bags from All Day Shirts when I ordered the shirts. And just to see how they was, I love their shirts. I always get their shirts. Mad respect to All Day Shirts, but I do not like their bags because they do not have the sealer piece on the back of them. So I had to use tape to seal them. But we got the sizes. We got extra large, 3X, small, extra 2X, and then, of course, large, which is not over here, but it's in my cabinet. I'll get it in a minute. So I don't have no shirt folder right now because I've never needed one. After doing this order, I'm definitely going to invest in one. I normally don't mind just doing the shirts because your girl is an excellent Walmart employee, so you know Walmart trains you right on how to fold shirts. So anytime you have ever worked in the clothing brand, in any clothing stores or what any apparel, you know they teach you how to fold the shirts. So now when I do fold them with the final fold, I just make sure I have my lint roller near me just to get some of this, make sure it's nice and lint free. Money Gang, your girl about to go ahead and be out on this video. Like always, thank y'all for y'all support. Always tuning in to my craziness and my madness trying to chase money. If this is your first time clicking on Little Me, thank you for clicking on me and watching my video as well. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified when next time this money chasing queen hit drop a video. But until next time, y'all, always love you, be safe, always have positive energy around you, and chase that money. God love you. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey.